Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for science for standard 8, unit number 6, that is reproduction in animals. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with question number 1, that is MCQs. First one, internal fertilization occurs, it's option number A, in female body. Second, which of the following animals shows internal fertilization? It's option number C, hen. Third, a tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of, it's option number B, metamorphosis. Fourth, which process is essential for continuation of a species? It's option number C, reproduction. Fifth, what is formed by fertilization? It's option number A, zygote. Sixth, in which type of reproduction is zygote formed? It's option number B, sexual. Seventh, how many matured eggs is or are released by one of the ovaries every month in women? It's option number A, 1. Eighth, what is the function of tail of human sperm? It's option number D, to locomote and move. Ninth, which of the following is not a female reproductive organ? It's option number D, penis. 10th, in which female organ does fetus develop? It's option number B, uterus. 11th, how many nucleus are there in zygote? It's option number B, 1. 12th, which of the following structures is multicellular? It's option number D, fetus. 13th, which unicellular organism can reproduce asexually by budding method? It's option number D, hydra. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the sperms are produced in testes of man. Second, tadpole is a developing stage of adult frog. Third, by fertilization process, sperm and ovum form zygote. Fourth, babies born through IVF technique are called test tube babies. Fifth, frog sperms swim randomly in water with the help of their tail. Sixth, one or more bulges seen on the surface of hydra are known as budding. Seventh, amoeba reproduces asexually by binary fission. Eighth, Dolly was a healthy clone of the Finn Dorset ship. Now question number 3, answer in one word. First one, in which reproductive organ of a woman the fertilization takes place? It is oviduct or fallopian tubes. Second, which type of fertilization occurs in a frog? It is external fertilization. Third, what is the process of releasing of egg cell from an ovary called? It is ovulation. Fourth, in the wall of which organ human embryo gets embedded for development? It is uterus. Fifth, in which organ of hen is hard shell surrounding the egg gets formed? It is oviduct. Sixth, which artificial technique is developed for pregnancy to couples suffering sterility? It is IVF. Seventh, from which female ship did Wilmot collect an egg for cloning? It is Scottish blackface Eve. Eighth, whose eggs are soft and hold with a layer of jelly? It is frog. Now question number 4, true or false? For that, first, second and third are true. Fourth one is false. Fifth and sixth are true. Seventh one is false. Eighth one is true. Ninth one is false. And 10th one is true. Now question number 5, answer the following questions in one sentence. First one, state the main modes of reproduction. The main modes of reproduction are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Second, how is zygote formed? The zygote is formed by fusion of male gametes and female gametes. Third, in which organ are male gametes produced? Male gametes are produced in an organ called testis. Fourth, state the other name of oviduct. The other name of oviduct is fallopian tube. Fifth, mention the types of fertilization. There are two types of fertilization, external fertilization and internal fertilization. Sixth, by which cells are characters of maternal and paternal generation inherited in new offsprings. The characters of maternal and paternal generation are inherited by egg cell and sperm respectively. 7th, state the type of asexual reproduction. The types of asexual reproduction are binary fission, budding, fragmentation, and spore formation. 8th one, give the name of two organisms those reproduce by budding. Yeast and hydra reproduce by budding. 9th, give the name of two animals those reproduce by binary fission. Amoeba and paramecium reproduce by binary fission. 10th, give the examples of animals that show external fertilization. Examples of animals that show external fertilization are fish, frog, starfish, etc. 11th, in which animals does internal fertilization occur? In animals like human, cow, dog, hen, etc., internal fertilization occur. 12th, in which animal egg is much larger and in which animal egg is the largest? The egg is much larger in hens and in ostrich egg is the largest. 13th, give the examples of viviparous animals. Examples of viviparous animals are human, cow, dog, etc. Now question number 6, define. First one, reproduction. A process to produce new offsprings of its own kind is called reproduction. Second, fertilization. A process of fusion of sperm and ovum in sexual reproduction is called fertilization. Third, asexual reproduction. A type of reproduction in which single parent is involved and offsprings are produced without gametes is called asexual reproduction. Now question number 7, answer the following questions in short. First one, explain the importance of reproduction in organisms. The importance of reproduction in organisms are: first, young individuals of own kind are produced. Second, the number of individuals or population of species increased. Third, it ensures the continuation of similar kinds of individuals generation after generation. Thus, reproduction is essential for the continuation of a species. Second question, describe the process of fertilization in human beings. During copulation, sperms of man are released in reproductive tract of women. These sperms come in contact with ovum, that is the egg of female, in oviduct. One of the sperms may fuse with ovum. This is called fertilization. During this process, the nuclei of sperm and an ovum fuse to form a single nucleus. This results in the formation of fertilized egg or zygote. Third question, what is metamorphosis? Give examples. In some animals, the young ones may look very different from the adults. The transformation takes place in the young ones, that is larva, along with growth and development. These drastic changes by which adult form is transformed is called metamorphosis. Examples, caterpillar of silkworm transformed into silkworm and tadpole transformed into adult frog. Fourth question, explain the fertilization process in frog. The fertilization process in frog occurs in water. When the male and female comes together in water, many eggs are laid by female frog. The male frog deposits sperms over them. Each sperm swims randomly in water with the help of its long tail and comes in contact with the egg. This results in fertilization. The fertilization takes place outside the body of the female, called external fertilization. Now question number 8, explain giving scientific reasons. First one, reproduction is essential for all living organisms. Reproduction is a process to produce new offsprings. No organism is immortal. Continuation of species is maintained by new offsprings. So reproduction is very important as it ensures the continuation of similar kinds of individuals generation after generation. Second one, in human beings, some characteristics from maternal generation and some characteristics from paternal generation are inherited in offsprings. In human beings, sexual reproduction occurs. Zygote is formed by fusion of mother's ovum and father's sperm during fertilization. Genes on chromosomes in the nucleus of ovum transmit the characteristics of maternal side. Similarly, genes on chromosomes present in the nucleus of sperm transmit the characteristics of paternal side. So, characteristics from both maternal and paternal side are inherited in developing fetus from zygote. Third one, animals like fish and frog lay hundreds of eggs and release millions of sperms. Both fish and frog show external fertilization. All the eggs do not get fertilized and developed into new individuals. This is because the eggs and sperms get exposed to water movement, wind and rainfall. There are other animals in the pond which may feed on eggs. Thus, production of large number of eggs and sperms is necessary to ensure fertilization of at least a few of them. Now, question number 9, write 2 points of differences. The first difference is between zygote and fetus. Zygote is unicellular whereas fetus is multicellular. Zygote is formed in oviduct in human female whereas fetus is developed in uterus wall in human female. The second difference is between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Single parent is involved in asexual reproduction whereas male and female two parents are involved in sexual reproduction. Gametes are not produced in asexual reproduction whereas male and female gametes are produced in sexual reproduction. The third difference is between sperm and ovum. Sperm is a male reproductive cell whereas ovum is a female reproductive cell. Sperm is produced in testis whereas ovum is released from ovum. Now question number 10, match the following. Here you can see the answers. I have already completed it and you can complete in your workbook. Okay. Now question number 10, that is answer the following questions in detail. First one, describe two methods of asexual reproduction in animals. Methods of asexual reproduction in animals. First one, budding. In hydra, one or more bulges develop on the surface of body. These bulges are the developing new individuals and they are called buds. Young hydra developed from bud detaches from the parent body and exists as a new individual. Since new individuals develop from the buds in hydra, this type of asexual reproduction is called budding. Second one is binary fission. Amoeba is a single-celled animal. It begins the process of reproduction by the division of its nucleus into two nuclei. This is followed by division of its body into two, each part receiving a nucleus. Finally, two amoebae are produced from one parent amoeba. This type of asexual reproduction in which an animal reproduces by dividing into two individuals is called binary fission. Second question, explain female reproductive organ in human. This is the most important question for your exams. Okay. The female reproductive organs are a pair of ovaries, oviducts and the uterus. The ovary produces female gametes called ova or eggs. In human beings, a single matured egg is released by one of the ovaries every month. Fertilization takes place in oviduct. Uterus is the part where implantation of embryo takes place and development of the body occurs. Now the activity, to observe the permanent slide of hydra under microscope. The apparatus and materials are microscope, permanent slide of hydra. And the procedure is, visit a biology laboratory with your subject teacher, observe a permanent slide of hydra using a microscope, look out the bulges on the surface of hydra and count the number of bulges, draw the diagram of hydra. And the observation is, two bulges appear on the body surface of hydra, its size is almost similar to small cell mass. And the conclusion is, such bulges are buds. Function of bud is to reproduce daughter hydra asexually. So here we come to the end of unit number 6, that is reproduction in animals. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.